Nano Banana 2 has completely solved the problem of character inconsistency. Just take a look at these ultra-realistic characters, or even these 3D animated characters. And that's just a few of the examples we'll be generating in this video. But here's the thing, just because Nano Banana 2 can generate consistent characters doesn't mean it can read your mind. And honestly, the outcome will only ever be as good as the prompt and references that you provide it. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact workflow that I created after testing every method I could think of. We'll walk through the entire formula along with a variety of examples. And by the end of this video, you'll never have to stress over inconsistent characters again. And the best part, you don't need any prior experience or crazy combination of subscriptions, because we're only going to be using one platform for everything, and all prompts will be linked below. So let's start with the biggest mistake people make, which is using a single photo as their reference image. When we first try to generate consistent characters, it's super tempting to just upload a basic headshot and type in our prompt. But let me show you exactly why that ruins our generations. First, we'll head to Higgsfield AI to generate our initial headshot reference image. We'll be using Higgsfield for everything in this video because it has all the newest image and video models all in one place, which makes it really easy. But for now, we'll hover over Image and select Nano Banana 2. For the reference image, I'll just use this photo of me in my YouTube studio. And this will be our prompt to generate a clean, professional headshot on a pure white background. Then, in the prompt box, we'll change our aspect ratio to 16:9, our quality to 4K, and our batch size to 4, so we have more options to choose from. These are the same image settings we'll be using for all of our generations, and the result came out perfectly. Now this is where most people mess up, because if we try to generate any scenes from this reference image, the AI will have to guess what the rest of our character looks like based on the prompt alone. To test this, we'll head to Cinema Studio and upload our headshot. For our prompt, we'll try to make it easy by describing a clean background and features of her clothing. Then we'll make sure it's a single shot scene, the aspect ratio is 16:9, the quality is 1080p, and our duration is 4 seconds. We'll leave everything else on default for now, and then click Generate. And as you can see, with only 2 generations, there are already glaring inconsistencies with our character. The shirt design changes, the number of straps change, and even the shoes change. So we know that relying on just a text prompt and a headshot isn't enough to keep our characters consistent across different scenes. Now we might think the easy fix is to just give the AI a bit more visual data. A really popular trick is to generate a side-by-side photo of our character's face next to their full body outfit. For example, if we go back to Image, upload our headshot, and pair it with this prompt, we now have a reference that shows our character's face and full body. And while this locks in the front of her design perfectly, it still has a massive structural flaw. Watch what happens when we drop this side-by-side reference image into Cinema Studio and ask for the camera to orbit around her during this temple scene. We'll set our duration to 8 seconds, so the camera has time to orbit naturally. And this is the result. Notice how the straps on the back of her legs are completely misaligned with where they are on the front of her legs. And that's because the AI still has a massive blind spot on our character's back view and side profiles, so it just starts generating its own version each time. We'll generate 2 more examples to really show this effect. The first will be this scene where our character is walking across a pool of shallow water, and the second scene will show her exploring an abandoned cave. Notice how this time, there are no straps on the back of her legs at all. And although she has no back pockets in the water scene, she suddenly has them in the cave scene. To fix this permanently, we need to build our complete 360-degree character reference sheet, which will act as our character DNA. So instead of stopping at the side-by-side reference image, we'll use that image as our new reference to generate our full character reference sheet. To do this, we'll head back to Nano Banana 2 and prompt it for a professional character reference sheet that includes a top row of 4 full body shots that show a front view, left profile, right profile, and back view, as well as a bottom row of 3 close-up shots showing a left view, front view, and right view. And the result is exactly what we need. By generating this full reference sheet, the AI now knows exactly what every single angle of our character looks like. So we'll take this new sheet back into Cinema Studio and run the exact same prompts as our previous examples, starting with the temple scene. And this is the result. Our character perfectly matches our 360-degree reference sheet. But now the real test is to see if this stays consistent for our next 2 scenes. So after entering our water scene prompt again, this is the result. Our character consistency is now 2 for 2. But let's enter our final scene prompt of our character exploring the abandoned cave. And once again, the result is perfect from all angles. It gives us flawless cinematic scenes with 0 glitches on the back of her outfit. That's exactly how we lock in a single character's consistency. But here's where it gets crazy, because with Nano Banana 2, we can now build an entire cast of up to 5 consistent characters completely from scratch. To do this, we'll go back to Nano Banana 2 and use this prompt template to generate all all 5 of our characters. We've made sure to include a physical description, an outfit description, a pure white background, 4 full body shots, and 3 close-up shots. Remember, this template, along with all prompts used in this video, will be linked below. So for our first character, we'll use this prompt to generate a middle-aged man in a tailored outfit. This result works perfectly. For our second character, we'll use this prompt to generate a young woman with short black hair and casual clothing. And this result is exactly what we were after. Now for character 3, we'll use this prompt to generate a bald man with a thick dark beard and scuffed clothing, exactly like this. Then we'll use this prompt for character 4 to generate a young woman with blonde short hair and a yellow knitted sweater. This looks perfect. And for our fifth and final character, we'll use this prompt to generate a young man with wavy brown hair and a brown outfit. And with this final result, we now have all 5 of our full character reference sheets ready to place our characters in any scenarios. So for our first example, we'll upload all 5 of our character reference sheets and then prompt them to stand in a V formation inside a dimly lit concrete warehouse for an ultra-realistic movie scene. And as you can see, Nano Banana 2 was able to perfectly recreate our characters within this frame. Now we'll go back to Cinema Studio and upload this image as a start frame along with this prompt to create a dramatic movie scene. And the final result perfectly stays true to all 5 of our original character designs. But what if we want to transition our characters into a different style of video? Well, for our second example, we'll keep all 5 of our character reference sheets, but this time we'll prompt Nano Banana 2 for a traditional 2D hand-drawn cartoon shot on a brick rooftop. And now, Nano Banana 2 has perfectly transformed our original characters into a brand new style while maintaining all of their features. So we'll repeat the video animation process in Cinema Studio, but this time we'll prompt for a subtle zoom as the wind rustles through their outfits. And yet again, our characters remain perfectly consistent. But now it's time to step it up a level, because for example 3, we're going to see if Nano Banana 2 can place our characters into a 3D Pixar animation. So we'll upload all 5 of our reference images, along with this prompt of our characters standing together in a magical forest in a Disney Pixar animation. And the result is genuinely mind-blowing. But let's see if this quality carries over into the video generation. So we'll head back to Cinema Studio, upload our start frame, and enter this prompt for a slow camera push-in, while particles and fireflies float around our characters. And this is the outcome. It nailed our characters from the facial expressions to the outfits. But what if we want to change not only the style, but their clothing as well? For our fourth example, that's exactly what we'll be doing with a futuristic sci-fi scene. So we'll upload all 5 of our character reference images back into Nano Banana 2, and then use this prompt to generate a frame of our characters walking down a busy cyberpunk street. We've made sure to mention that their clothing has high-tech dystopian details. And this generation is exactly what I had in mind. Even when we drop them into a busy cyberpunk setting with heavy neon lighting and a change of clothing style, the character DNA still holds strong. So we'll upload this as our start frame in Cinema Studio, and then prompt for a cinematic dolly push-in as our characters slowly walk toward the camera. And this is the final result. Our characters have been perfectly transferred into the context of the scene. But for our last example, we won't be placing our characters into a TV show or a movie. Instead, we'll be transforming them into real-life Hollywood celebrities. So we'll upload all 5 of their reference sheets into Nano Banana 2 and prompt for our 5 characters to be posing at a red carpet event with paparazzi in the background. This result will work perfectly. So we'll upload it as our start frame in Cinema Studio and then pair it with this video prompt for a cinematic push-in on the characters as cameras rapidly flash around them. And this is the final result, which means we've now placed our 5 original characters in 5 completely different scenes and styles while remaining 100% consistent the entire time. So now you know how to use Nano Banana 2 to generate perfectly consistent characters with ease. But most people have no idea that there are so many more use cases for Nano Banana 2, many of which could make your life a lot easier. So if you want to know 11 more actual use cases for Nano Banana 2, then click the video on screen now.